soon. So I had a little bit of time to run home, make a snack before I go back to the gym to work with my clients. And I thought I'd show you guys how I'm making my favorite protein shake right now. This is from Thelifebar. This is the BanillaMaca. It is a plant-based protein. They are all made here locally in Louisville, Kentucky, and you can get 10% off with my code. I'm gonna put that right here. But let me just show you really simply how I've been making my shakes. I usually will start out with a little bit of a nut milk. This one, sorry, it cut me off. As I was saying, I put in about 1/4 a cup of this plant-based protein, and then for some flav, I'm gonna add in, this is Trader Joe's pumpkin spice seasoning or spice, whatever. It's just a mix of like cinnamon and some stuff that I'm gonna put in there, and then then I'm gonna put in some turmeric for inflammation, and I'm going to finish it off with some PB2 just for a little bit of a peanut butter flavor. So I put in about a scoop of that, and then I'm gonna load this baby with ice, and a banana, because why not? These bananas are ready to go. So I'm gonna add this puppy in here and blend it with some ice, and I will let you guys know how it is. Okay, I could probably finish this in one gulp, but I'll be polite, so cheers. It's so good. It's like this explosion of cinnamon, peanut butter, and banana in this deliciously smooth protein shake. So if you're interested, they have a couple different flavors. This is the BanillaMaca, and I will put my coupon code right here, and you can get 10% off.